Hello everyone, I am Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose. And welcome to the third video and shade of the 7 Shades of Rainbow series. If you still don't know what I'm talking about, in this series I take each shade of the rainbow and use it as the protagonist of my entire look. And for this video, the shade is yellow. In full honesty, going to this video, I have no idea what look I'm doing, so we're going on a journey together. But before you get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. For the first step, I think I'm going to dip into that pastel yellow. I'm going to leave out a little bit of space towards the inner part of the lid, just putting it in the center of the lid. Next, I'm going to take this more warmer yellow and putting this right next to the pastel yellow, and I'm going to give this a winged-like shape. Then I'm going to take this very light yellow shimmery shade which does not show up on the camera and putting this in the space I saved before and dragging it up to the inner corner as a highlight as well. I have no idea what to do next. When in doubt, throw in some flowers. I'm going to take a white liner and put in some small flowers in the inner corner and along this wing. Yeah. I have absolutely no technique for drawing flowers, so I'm just going to try and hope for the best. Oh, that looks so cute!
I couldn't show the entire process because of the camera going in and out of focus, and as I said, I don't really have any technique for drawing the flowers. All I did was draw small stars, and because of the yellow base, it kind of made it look like flowers. And I decided to add one single flower to the inner corner.
I think I want to keep the lower lash line bare, but I'm just going to put on some white liner on the waterline. On a second thought, I'm going to take this warmer yellow to the waterline. These are all the steps all complete. I'm going to add some lashes and some mascara to the bottom lashes and be right back. And that is my makeup look all complete. I am honestly so shocked because I actually had no idea what I was gonna do going to this video, and this proves I probably should do that more often.
This look has to be one of the favorite ones I've ever created, and for some reason this is giving me major Tinkerbell Summer Pixie vibes.
If you liked this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I post new videos every week, so to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating this look, which by the way you totally should, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.off.rose. And to make sure you do not miss out on any videos for the 7 Shades of Rainbow series, make sure to turn the notification bell on, and if you have not watched the previous ones yet, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!